Hi guys, Mary's here. So simple potato rice.
So it's an instant pot recipe. We're gonna add oil first in our pot. So now we're gonna add chopped onion in there, roughly chopped onion, and we're gonna add roughly chopped garlic. We're gonna make our onion brown, light brown. So our onions are turning brown, brownish brown. We're gonna add some cumin seed in there first. Some red chili powder. Now we're gonna add chopped tomato in there. And we're gonna stir onion, tomatoes, cumin, and red chili enough so it become a paste, and then we're gonna add our potatoes in there. Alright, so this is fried. This is kind of a paste now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just add our potatoes in there now. Now we're gonna add some salt in there. So we're gonna add a little bit extra salt just because it's gonna have a lot of rice in there as well. So maybe 2 teaspoons of salt. So now guys, we need to fry our potatoes at least for 5 minutes. Add enough water so all our potatoes get synced in. So just for aroma, I'm adding 2 peppers in there. So now we're gonna wait for this water to get boiled, and then we're gonna add our soaked basmati rice. Or you guys can use any kind of rice, but you have to just make sure the water is boiling, and then you can add your rice. Alright, so the water is boiling. I'm adding our soaked basmati rice on here now. We're gonna give it a stir, just like that. And now guys, we're gonna just cover our pot and leave this pot at least for 15 to 20 minutes on a slow flame. In 20 minutes, let's check on our potato rice. Yum, they look so colorful again. Yeah guys, this is all done. And our potatoes are super soft. Yep. Let me dish this out and show you guys the final product.